I hope you are all well and healthy and ready to learn the new things. So my name is Palak Patel. I am working in the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari in Civil Engineering Department. I am going to teach you the subject is Civil Engineering, Social and Global Impact. So in this lecture we will cover Module 1 Introduction. So shall we start? So in the previous lecture, we covered pre-industrial revolution day and industrial revolution days, right? So in this lecture, we will cover agriculture revolution and IT revolution. So we start from the agriculture revolution. So what is agriculture revolution? Agriculture revolution was a period of a technological improvement and increase crop productivity. Means by agriculture revolution, crop productivity is increasing by using technology like irrigation, tractor, any type of machines. Right? Then after first agriculture revolution, what is first agriculture revolution? It revolution is Neolithic revolution. We call it as Neolithic revolution. In the first agriculture revolution, the transformation of human society from hunting and gathering to farming. Right? So first human going for the hunting and gathering some fruits. Then after we learn how to farm, how to sow a seed in the farm and how to grow a seed. Right? It's called a first agriculture revolution. Then after at the second agriculture revolution, the increased productivity of the farming through mechanization and access to a market area due to better transportation give way to the commercial agriculture. So the first agriculture revolution we learn how to grow a food. But in the second agriculture revolution we grow food as surplus uh, we can sell in the commercial agriculture, sell in the market, right? It's called a second agriculture revolution. Third agriculture revolution, this include biotechnology and genetic engineering. Biotechnology and genetic engineering, the new farming techniques, inventions that lead to massive increase in food production. Agriculture revolution brought about experimentation with new crops and new method of crop rotation. Right? Then after we learn how agriculture revolution occurs. So first we are hunters, right? So after hunter, our first agriculture revolution occurs and we become a farmer. We learn how to sow a field in a farm and grow by irrigation and take care of the plants. Then after second agriculture revolution, at the second agriculture revolution, we reach at the market by a surplus amount of food. Then after third agriculture revolution, we use biotechnology. We are going to use biotechnology, right? Then after Enclosure Act. Enclosure Act is a passed in Great Britain, allow the wealthy lord to purchase public fields and push out small scale farmers, causing migration to men looking for wage labor in the cities. So you can say the agriculture revolution is connected with the industrial revolution. Agriculture revolution is connected with the industrial revolution. Assume there is a farm which have a 15 members, 15 laborers. Okay, assume there is a 15 laborers in a farm, 15. Okay, is working in a one farm, and the farm owner, brought one tractor or any other equipment which are used in the farm. So labor requirement is reduced because of the machinery is introduced. Okay, so labor required is reduced to the 10, right? So in this farm the owner required only a 10 laborers. So what about the other 5? So other 5 is lose their job. Other 5 is lose their job. So other 5 is become unemployed. Then after they reach at the city for the industrial work. So you can say agriculture revolution is connected with the industrial revolution, right? So the perfection of the horse-drawn seed press, which would make a farming less labor-intensive and more productivity. Horse-drawn seed press. Okay. The larger scale growth of new crops such as potato and maize. And these are the several major events which used for the agriculture revolution, and same agriculture revolution is connected with the industrial revolution. By agriculture revolution, industrial revolution occurs. Then after some agriculture revolution which covered in India, which occurred in India, like green revolution, agriculture product, you can see there is a color and this is the product. Yellow revolution, oil seed, mustard production and sunflower production. You can see yellow revolution is connected with these colors, right? So black revolution, petroleum product, blue revolution, fish production, brown revolution, leather and cocoa, golden fiber revolution, jute production, grey revolution, fertilizer, pink revolution for the onion, pharmaceuticals and prawns, silver revolution for the egg production and poultry production, silver fiber revolution, cotton production, red revolution, meat production, tomato production, round revolution and potato production. White revolution, milk production, okay. Gold revolution for the horticulture, fruit and honey. So these are the agriculture revolution. You have to remember the name and product. Which color for which product? You have to remember the names, okay. Imagine white revolution which connected with the milk production, golden revolution connected with the fruit production, because this type of thing asking in exam. List out the agriculture revolution in India with products. So you have to remember these things, right? Then after most important thing here, a green revolution in India. This is the most important topic because green agriculture was converted into industrial system. Green revolution in India referred to a period when the Indian agriculture converted into industrial system due to adoption of modern methods and technology such as use of high yielding variety seeds, tractor, irrigation facility, pesticide and fertilizer. So by the green revolution, this type of things is more usable, like tractor use, irrigation facility, pesticide and fertilizer use become more, right? It started in India early 1960. Okay. This lead to increase in food grain production. And this green revolution especially in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Main development was a higher yielding varieties of wheat. Right. So you can say Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh is the most prominent area for the green revolution. Okay. Now why wheat? Why wheat? Because Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh mostly produce wheat. So wheat is a main development. Scientists want to produce more from less. More from less. Remember this term, more from less. More from less means less land, less pesticide, less water. Okay, and more production. Using less land, less pesticide and less water, we can reach more production. Right? It's called evergreen revolution. Okay. So increase in production needed to make a country self-sufficient in food grains. Self-sufficient in food grains. So green revolution in India, like main factor is irrigation infrastructure, use of pesticide, consolidation of holding, land reform, important rural infrastructure, supply of agriculture credit, use of chemical, use of sprinklers, and use of advanced machinery. So these are the main factor which caused a green revolution in India. Right? Irrigation facility, use of pesticide, consolidation of holdings, and problems faced during green revolution like frequent famines, lack of finance, lack of self-sufficiency. And bad effect is Indian economy sovereignty, environmental damage, and increase regional disparities. And environmental mostly damage because of maximum use of pesticide and fertilizer. Okay, the Indian economy is become a agriculture based economy. It is not convert industrial based economy. And increase regional disparities. You can see there is green revolution only occurs in Punjab, Haryana, and UP. So what about the other state? There is no green revolution effect, we can say. Now we have to discuss IT revolution. IT revolution is a third industrial revolution. Third industrial revolution. Okay. India gave a best performance in the third industrial revolution. So this question, this topic, IT revolution in India, this become more important than any other. Because India performed best in the IT revolution in India. Right? So India IT service industry was born in Mumbai in 1967. How the Tata Group is partnership with Brogas. So Brogas is a computer company. So Brogas is at that time produce a computer, and Tata partnership with Brogas and make one software industry. Right? So first IT industry is established, and SPIES in Mumbai 1970. So SPIES is a Santa Cruz Electronic Export Processing Zone. Santa Cruz is called SPIES is called Santa Cruz Electronics Export Processing Zone. More than 80% of the country's software export were from SPIES in 1980. So SPIES is used for the export software. And 80% of the country's software, 80% of the India's software is export from the SPIES. Okay. Then after Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, India's Prime Minister in 1993 to 2004, okay, is create Indian National Task Force INTF to information technology and software development. Okay. He has a first governmental step to develop IT revolution in India. Then after 1991, Indian government created a corporation called Software Technology Parks in India. And this park is owned by a government. And this park provide VSAT, very small apparatus terminal, for communication without breaching its monopoly. Okay. VSAT we created. Then after 1991, VSNL generated. VSNL introduced in Gateway Electronic Mail Service. VSNL means Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. In 1992, commercial internet access on the visible scale. In 1992, we have a commercial internet. We have a commercial internet in 1992. Right? Then after 1991, government created a new telecommunication policy in a 1990. Okay. This policy helped further liberalize India's telecommunication sector. The Information Technology Act 2000 created a legal procedure for the electronic transaction and e-commerce. So these are some rules, these are some policies which created by Indian government to control IT revolution. We can say software production, Right now, India is the largest exporter of IT, and Bangalore is the capital of India, IT capital of India. We call it as Silicon Valley of India. Why? Because there is a large number of software companies in Bangalore, like Infosys, Wipro, and Mindtree. Their company have a headquarters in Bangalore. So we call this Bangalore as a Silicon Valley of India. I give you one task: find a Silicon Valley of USA and give this answer in the comment. Right? Find the Silicon Valley of USA. Then after five revenue generator in India, top five revenue generator in India is Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys Technology, Wipro Technology, SCL, and Tech Mahindra. These are the top five IT generated. Top five IT company which generate revenue of India is IT company, information technology. Then after IT application, information technology application, we can use in education, hospital, banking, railway, research, share market, advertisement agency, many more. Right? And bad effect of IT revolution. There is so many bad effect. Like revolution create a social imbalance. Like foreign depend Western way of living is more important. We forget about traditional culture, right? Every engineering student want to land in an IT job, killing the reading habits among the youth, broken the trade of a culture aspect of our society and created an illusion. If someone is against a western style a lifestyle, he or she consider it simple, non-industry, and out of fashion. Right? These are some bad effect of a IT revolution. This is not too much important. This is not affect our economy or anything else, but this affect our youth. This will affect our youth, right? So that's why this bad effect of IT revolution is more important, because it's not effect on the our economy, but it's effect on our culture, our youth, our future, right? Okay, so here is some practice question. Write short note on the pre-industrial revolution society, effect of British rule in India on industrialization. So in this first question, you are going to write down pre-industrial revolution society. Just short note. How pre-industrial revolution society effect on the social and cultural life. Right? Effect of British rule in India on industrialization. India industry damaged by British rule. Then after they did not develop because British doesn't support it. Right? List out an agriculture revolution in India. List out an agriculture revolution in India. So in this question, you have to write down white revolution, green revolution, red revolution, black revolution. Just name out. Name out. There is no need a product name. Okay, and explain the green revolution in India. Explain the third industrial revolution in India. Third industrial revolution in India. We discuss IT revolution later. Okay. We discuss third industrial revolution means IT revolution earlier lecture. Okay. I hope you can write down these all four questions. These are for the practice. Practice it, learn it. If any question, just ask me.